Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Today I'm going to go over a stock that surged 31% today. The stock is Restoration Hardware, ticker symbol RH. Restoration Hardware is an American home furnishing company that sells its merchandise through retail stores, catalog, and online. Currently the price is $155. Market cap is $323 billion. PE ratio is 323, and forward PE ratio is 23. Which is not bad considering the average PE ratio is 25. All right, let's take a look at the performance. 1 day is 30%. At one point it was at 38%, but then it scaled down to 31. 1 week is 44.61%. 1 month is 52.09%. 3 month is 96.68%. 1 year is 200.97%, and 5 year was 122.22%. The dividend yield is 0, which means they are reinvesting all profits back into growth. Now, the reason why Restoration Hardware surged over 30% is because earnings were better than expected. EPS was $1.33, which beat expected EPS by 31 cents. As you can see, scroll down here, the actual EPS beat expected EPS. That's up 5% from prior year quarters level, the $1.33. Now, net revenue are expected in the $2.5 billion range, representing growth of 5 to 7%. In terms of the distribution network, the distribution center network, they're consolidating from 4 facilities to 2 while streamlining operations throughout their supply chain, which has resulted in a significantly more efficient cost and working capital model. They also have a new membership model, the RH Members Program, which is improving the company's brand image, streamlining operations, and improving customer experience. As of May 2018, Restoration Hardware operated 84 retail galleries. These include 46 legacy galleries, 17 design galleries, 2 modern galleries, and 4 baby and child galleries in the United States and Canada, along with 15 waterworks showrooms in the United States and UK. The company recently opened a flagship location in West Palm Beach, Florida, that shows off its new approach. The 80,000 square foot space includes fountains and in-store cafe. So all this sounds good, but would I add Restoration Hardware to my portfolio? I personally would not, because it's overbought with the relative strength index of 88, which is really high. Also, although there's more opportunities to grow since it's a mid-cap company, it's too volatile for my portfolio. I like to hold large cap companies with a market cap greater than 10 billion, which are more stable. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Restoration Hardware? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. That's all for this video, and see you in the next one.